Hi guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So today I woke up to a surprise and I'll show you what the surprise is. But before that, thank you so much for all the lovely comments on the church vlog. Thank you. Now I'll show you the surprise. So today baby, other than making salami and sausages, is making something extraordinary for breakfast. What are you making?
Making potato sandwiches. Cheese masala toast sandwich.
Cheese masala toast. Oh ho ho.
Can you see
Lovely.
cheese in this?
Not yet.
Because cheese is inside this.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's the specialty. What you do is you put one then उसके ऊपर तो डालती है ना.
Oh.
I have taken a detour. There's something different.
Oh ho ho.
ये बटाना I'm not putting no. तो मिला तो मेरे I don't like बटाना in my sandwich.
So now you're going to toast it?
Yeah. See, I've kept all these ready here.
Oh ho ho ho.
4 ये वो last.
Enough, 4 are enough.
अरे चेस्टर भी बाद में मांगेगा ये बे बाबा भो करता रहता है.
Okay. What you were saying?
Apply good amount of butter.
Acha.
Amul butter. There's no butter like
What
Amul
is
butter.
this?
Lychee.
So small.
Some different lychee it is. क्या पता है? I asked for lychee उन लोगों ने ये भेजा है पता नहीं क्या है वो.
I thought it was imli first.
अरे भी गर्मी चालू हुआ है यार शी. Too hot. I need water.
Stay hydrated. Chalo, now baby is going to toast these.
And तेरा क्या चाय coffee what do you want today?
Nothing. So now we'll go ahead and toast these sandwiches.
Why nothing? They're getting toasted. You can hear. This will be amazing. I couldn't slice it properly. So.
It's okay. Wow. Thank you, baby.
Welcome. Hey, what do you want to drink, baby?
Nothing. Come sit.
Amul को लेके आया है.
No, I don't want anything. Come.
Hriday?
Nothing. You come. Now we'll have tasty sandwich baby has made. Along with some ketchup.
Show you something, baby. Wait up.
What? Come.
I told you ना वो cutting बराबर हुआ नहीं था.
हाँ.
मेरा sandwich का cutting में कैसा होगा?
I'll give.
No, I like this. I want this.
अरे
I like this. मेरे को
He
पसंद है.
likes the design. That is why he purposely made it.
चलो let's watch Detective Conan.
you should have used that kavilta.
What is Kavilta?
That flat one.
Yeah, but it's like
Or else that pizza cutter.
So in these on Instagram and YouTube, there's this sandwich guy who's quite famous. So they make only one type of sandwich in Nagpur or Nasik it is, and I went to try. If I search that video, I will show it to you how they cut it. So मैंने सोचा कि मैं भी करेगा, but वो हुआ नहीं. तो अभी चलो खाते हैं. Let's watch Detective Conan. And come back to me. So guys, I'm going to upload a video soon on Faith Over Feelings Always channel. So today I'm going to prepare for that. So let's see what topic I haven't decided as yet. Now and baby will sit. We'll think about it. What something good for Lent. We'll give you a good video. So stay tuned for the same. So guys, it's afternoon now, and the meteorological department of Mumbai have already warned us that it's going to be an orange alert for the next 2 to 3 days. So people are advised to not go out in the afternoon, and it's way too hot. It's touching 40 degree, and everybody at home has gone to sleep except for me because I have some work to do. And I'll show you that the heat is damn terrible. I mean, guys, please stay safe, stay hydrated, and just take care of yourselves. Look at the tree. No leaves at all. So finally the giant has woken up.
So now we are going to have some garma garam tea slash
Yeah, in
lemon
this
tea.
garmi mein she wants to have garam chai. Actually she won't have, I'll have. You're going to have tea?
And vada pav.
I want to have missile. So let's go and have. What do you want to have? Vada pav or missile? Huh? मिसल और क्या है मिसल पाव क्या चलो लेट्स गो
मिसल भी एक्सेंट के साथ बोलता है वो मिसल.
तेरे से सीखा ये सब
I was going to say missile power.
मिसल पाव
And fresh lime sodas.
ये नो फ्रेश टाइम सोडा नाउ यू जस्ट वोक अप डार्लिंग you will have to have tea because even your throat needs that and then in the evening you have lassi. I have kept lassi for you. We had misal pav, vada pav and tea and now we are heading over to our house to see what the renovation work, what work is going on at the moment and kitna ho raha hai because we are planning to move at the earliest. We haven't decided on the date to move in but let's see how it goes. Now we're going and checking out kitna kaam hua hai and baby is gone home. She had some work so she's gone home. So let's go and check it out. Obviously I won't be showing you much of what's happening because it's a surprise for you guys, so please bear with us. So this is what's happening right now, nothing much. We'll tell you more about it later. This is what I can show you right now. So we reached and we saw the house. It's going good, the renovation work, and we saw a small just taking an 8-10 seconds video, couldn't take more of it, and I've come back and now we'll head home. Hey cutie, hi. Hey, hi. Hey cutie. First time seeing a street cat in our colony. Usually it's filled with dogs. Hey. Hey Bowie, come. He's doing a fantastic job by drying the clothes. He does it very nicely.
Not very, very nice.
Oh, you're being modest. Yeah, you need to spread this out a bit. Yeah, spread it out like that to take it to the corners. So you can put in one of your undergarments. Good. Continue. A lot of clothes to dry. Very nice. Chester, what are you doing? You're not helping. Why aren't you helping? Huh? So guys, this is where we end the vlog. A very, very short vlog. And we didn't do much the entire day as you already saw. And it's hot. Extremely hot. So guys, please take care of yourselves. Stay hydrated. That's the only thing I want to say before I sign off. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण दिवस. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.